on the popular Hartnell's farm development, I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 2 double-bedroom mid-terrace home. Constructed by Persimmon Homes in 2021, this home benefits from the remainder of the NHBC warranty, low maintenance rear garden and driveway parking to the front. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing in this lovely home, or maybe a valuation of your own property, then please do get in touch.